welcome back in my YouTube channel Technocoder. Myself Patel Mohil. I am already started a series on a Laravel. If you are new to my channel, then I recommend it to first visit my old videos. Link is given in the description, so you can visit from there. So I will teach you how you can create your web page in a Laravel application. As I mentioned earlier video, that for creating your web page in a Laravel, you must have brief knowledge of model, controller, view and routing, in which model, controller, view in brief I was covered in earlier video. If you not see that video till now, then click on I button, you get the videos, or I will send you link in a description also, so you can visit from there. In this video I am covered very important topic, which is routing. Without routing your application will not work. That's why I divided this video into two parts, so I will teach you in brief. In this first part I am covered what is routing, where I can define routes with the example, how much type of routes, how much type of routes parameter. So let's start. So the first question may arise in your mind, which is what is routing? When you make any new page in a Laravel for the view purpose and you want to open it in your browser, at that time how Laravel can understand which page I will show in a browser? For that you have to must define routing. In routes/web.php you can define your all routes. For example, route :get in bracket /n in callback function return welcome to my YouTube channel Technocoder. So when I am pass / in my URL, I will get the message welcome to my YouTube channel Technocoder. Let's see practical of it so you can understand better. So the first step is to open a XAMPP tool and start Apache server and MySQL server. Now close this XAMPP tool and open any editor. I am using Sublime editor, you can use whatever you want, and open route/web.php and write one simple route, which is return, and one message is welcome to in my YouTube channel Technocoder. Okay, now for running this route, open a browser, write a path localhost Technocoder public, and now write / and press enter. Okay, so here you can see this, I am getting a message which is welcome to in my YouTube channel Technocoder. Okay, so now let's see a next thing. So the next thing is types of routing. Basically there are mainly three type of routing, which as per following mention. First type is basic routing, second is redirect routing, and third is view routing. Let's see each type with practical so you can understand better. So the first type is basic routing. The most used route of Laravel is basic routing, which accepts a URI, universal resource identifier, and closure. In basic routing you can use methods such as get, post, put, patch, delete and match. You can use any of them as per your requirement. Let's see practical of it. Open a Sublime text editor. Guys, in earlier video I was teach you how you can insert and display a record. So if you not see that video till now, then I recommend that to first visit that video. Here I am using those data for a basic routing. So student insert, this route will work insert a record of student, and this route will work display those records. So I am just run in this browser, open a browser and write a path, localhost technocoder public student, and first insert the record. Okay, here you can see this record is inserted successfully, and now I will show you a record. Oh, just a second. Okay, so I get the record. Okay, so this is all about basic routing. You can use a get method, post method, put method, delete method, and match as per your requirement. Now let's see redirect route. Second type is redirect routing. If sometimes may situation occur when you need to route redirect to another route, at that times route redirect method is used. This is one type of shortcut method for redirecting one route to another. The syntax of this routing is route redirect in bracket. First argument is your first route path and second argument is for second route path. So let's see practical of it. Okay, so first comment this route and give name to this route for one type of shortcut. The name is display, means I can use display rather than student/display. Okay, now write route for a redirecting route redirect. In bracket there are two parameters. First one is student/insert, means when I am pass student/insert, at that time it will redirecting me on student/display page. Okay, so how it's work, let's see. And the second parameter is display. Okay, let's see practical of it. Okay, just a second. Insert. Okay, you can see this, it will redirecting me on student/display. Okay, so this is all about redirect routing. And the third type is view routing, means sometimes situation may occur when your route needs only return a view page, means a blur file. Okay, that means sometimes you need only a output file, no need to write any logic such as insert or delete or select or so on. Okay, at that time you can use route view method. It takes two arguments and third is optional. First argument is path of route, second argument is your blur file name, and third which is data if you want to pass. The syntax of this routing is route view in bracket. First view route path, second is view route file, and third one is array which contains some data. Okay, so let's see practical of it. Okay, so the syntax is route view. First parameter is your path which is display. Second one is blur file name which is also display, and third one is if you want to pass any message or data. So I want to pass one variable which contain value welcome to in my YouTube channel. Okay, control save and go to display.blur.file. Okay, I want to display the message. Now run this file. Okay, so the syntax is route double colon view. First parameter is your path, which is display. Second one is Blair file name, which is also display. And third one is if you want to pass any message or data. So I want to pass one variable which contain value welcome to in my YouTube channel. Okay, control save and go to display.blade.file. okay, I want to display the message. Now run this file. So open a browser and write a path localhost /display. Okay, here you can see this. I am getting a message. So that's all for view routing. Now let's see the last important topic, which is route parameter with the practical. So let's see. So open a browser and write a path localhost /display. Okay, here you can see this. I am getting a message. So that's all for view routing. Now let's see the last important topic, which is route parameter with the practical. So let's see. Okay, so the last topic is route parameter. Basically, route parameter is classified into two types. First one is a required parameter and second one is a optional parameter. As the name suggests, required parameter, that means you must have to pass value to required parameter, and in an optional parameter, value is a optional for parameter. Okay, so let's see practical of it. First we will see required parameter. The syntax for that is route get display / here you have to pass parameter. Okay, parameter name is message, and here I am using callback function and in bracket pass variable message. Okay, and return this variable $message. Now run this display, and here I am passing Mohil my parameter and press enter. Okay, this is a required parameter. If I am not pass value here and press enter, it will give me error, means not found. Okay, so this is all about required parameter. Now we will see optional parameter. Okay, so I will take one more parameter as a optional parameter, which name is ID, and if it is optional parameter, then you have to pass question marks, and in a function $parameter name, and its value is blank. Okay, now we will display this. Okay, first 12. So here you can see this. Mohil is for message and 12 is for ID. If I am remove this 12 and press enter, it will give me also output. Okay, so this is all about optional parameter. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Still some important topic is remaining about routing, which is I covered in a next video, so don't miss that video. After that I am damn sure you are clear with your doubts. And if you really like my video, then please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so I am bringing this type of awesome videos for you guys. Thank you guys, see you soon.